Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. Have you installed iOS 27 on your iPhone 11, iPhone 13, or even iPhone 15, only to realize the experience isn't quite what you expected? While iOS 27 brings a fresh new design and several exciting features, not every iPhone is handling the update equally well. Many users, especially those using older devices like the iPhone 11, have noticed faster battery drain, app compatibility issues, and slower overall performance after updating. If you're finding that iOS 27 isn't stable enough for your needs, the good news is that you can downgrade back to iOS 26. In this video, we'll walk you through two ways to do it. We'll start with Apple's official downgrade method, then show you a much simpler one-click solution using ReiBoot. Now let's jump right in. Method 1. Downgrade iOS 27 to iOS 26 using Apple's official method. The official Apple method involves creating a backup, putting your iPhone into recovery mode, restoring the device through Finder or iTunes, and then restoring your data afterward. First, connect your iPhone to your computer. If you're a Mac user, open Finder. Windows users should launch iTunes or Apple devices. Next, create a full backup of your iPhone. Once the backup is complete, you'll need to put your device into recovery mode. The button combination varies depending on your iPhone model, so follow the instructions shown on the screen. After entering recovery mode, Finder or iTunes will detect that there's a problem with the device and display a restore option. Click Restore and wait while the software erases the device and reinstalls iOS 26. Depending on your internet speed and device model, this process may take some time. After the restore is complete, your iPhone will restart and return to the setup screen. You can then follow the prompts to restore data from your previous backup. However, after downgrading your iPhone, the backup file may become incompatible. You will need to manually edit the backup file created on iOS 27 beta. Locate the info.plist file within the backup. Then open it with Notepad and edit the relevant version number. As you can see, Apple's method works, but the entire process involves multiple steps. You need to manually create backups, enter recovery mode, perform the restore, and then recover your data separately. For many users, especially those who aren't familiar with iPhone recovery procedures, the process can feel complicated and time-consuming. So, is there an easier way? Method 2. Downgrade iOS 27 to iOS 26 with ReiBoot. If you want a more streamlined experience, Tenorshare ReiBoot offers an all-in-one solution that combines backup, downgrade, and data recovery into a much simpler workflow. Start by launching ReiBoot on your computer and connecting your iPhone. On the main screen, first select the Data Backup/Restore option to back up your iPhone data. Once the backup is complete, return to the main screen and tap the iOS Upgrade/Downgrade option. Then select Downgrade. ReiBoot will automatically detect the available iOS 26 firmware version that Apple is currently signing. Click Download to get the firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Initiating Downgrade. The software will automatically handle the downgrade process for you. There's no need to manually search for firmware files or deal with complicated recovery procedures. After the downgrade is finished, your device will reboot into iOS 26. Connect your device to Wi-Fi and wait for activation to complete. You can then proceed with data recovery and ReiBoot. If you created a backup before downgrading, ReiBoot also makes it easier to restore your data and get your device back to normal as quickly as possible. Compared with the traditional Apple method, the biggest advantage here is convenience. Instead of switching between multiple tools and manually performing each step, everything is organized within a single interface. That means less time spent troubleshooting and more time enjoying a stable iOS experience. So if iOS 27 is causing battery drain, overheating, app issues, or performance problems on your iPhone 11, iPhone 13, or iPhone 15, downgrading to iOS 26 may be the best way to restore stability. You can use Apple's official restore process if you prefer the traditional approach. But if you'd like a faster and more straightforward solution, ReiBoot can simplify the entire workflow from backup to downgrade and data recovery. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest iPhone tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.